Quadratics aren't just random equations your teacher throws at you. Engineers use them to design bridges and arches. Economists use them to figure out maximum profit. Even game developers use them to make graphics and collision detection work. But for you, they usually show up on math tests. So today, I'll show you 3 ways to solve any quadratic, namely factoring, completing the square, and the quadratic formula, and when to use each.
First up, factoring. This is the fastest method, but it only works if the quadratic factors nicely. Take x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Look for 2 numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. That's 2 and 3. So we factor x plus 2 into x plus 3 equals 0. Solutions are x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 3. Businesses use factoring to find break-even points, where revenue and cost intersect. That's literally solving for when profit equals 0.
Second method, completing the square. This is more systematic and always works. Start with x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. Isolate the constant to get x squared plus 6x equals minus 5. Take half of 6, square it, 6 divided by 2, squared equals 9. Add 9 to both sides, x plus 3, squared equals 4. Taking the square root of both sides, x plus 3 equals plus or minus 2. Final solutions, x equals minus 1 or x equals minus 5. Engineers use this technique to design precise parabolic curves, like bridges and arches. Completing the square literally builds the parabola they need.
Finally, the quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This works for every quadratic. For example, x squared plus 6x plus 7 equals 0. Here, a equals 1, b equals 6, c equals 7. Plugging in those values, x equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 28 by 2. That's x equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of 8 by 2. Or x equals minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 2. Engineers and scientists use this formula when nothing else works, from calculating projectile paths in physics to determining safe braking distances for vehicles.
So, to recap, factoring is fastest when numbers are nice, like break-even points in business. Completing the square gives exact parabolas, perfect for engineers designing arches. And the quadratic formula works every time, from physics to car safety. Master all 3, and you'll always know which tool to use.